Hi guys, welcome to Gladys Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to hide and remove your suggestions on Messenger. So for you to do that, there are a few steps you have to take, which are: number one, open your Messenger this way and make sure your Messenger is updated. So the next thing you have to do is to tap on your settings. Tap on the settings. So the next thing you have to do now is to scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. Tap on hidden contact. Tap on the image icon there. Then select the item, the individual you wish to hide the contact. So if you want to unhide the person, you can just tap on this to unhide the person. The next thing you have to do is to scroll down, go out from your privacy and safety, then scroll down, tap on Meta Account Center. Now tap on your information and permission. Then tap on upload contacts. So on my Facebook account, for me to continuous contact upload, for me to remove my suggestions on Facebook, I just have to make sure that this is turned off. The toggle is turned off. That way I'll not have a suggestion there again. Then same thing on my messenger. Okay, let me go out from my Facebook. On my messenger, if I tap on the messenger icon there, I just have to make sure that it is also turned off, and on make sure that my messenger is updated. So you can see that I have turned off the privacy setting on each app to upload contact, and turn off and turn on or off your account. So I've done that so that I will not have my suggestions on messenger again. So if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, and then hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video.